back again with another video. I know I am long overdue, but I'm here and it's never too late to arrive as long as you arrive. Okay, so I am here because given the circumstances that have risen in the most recent few days, I felt like what I'm about to show you guys would be very beneficial. So since we can't, and I know I'm looking kind of crazy, so let me explain. A lot of things are going to be locked down. I know Ulta closed. There's no more Ulta until I think the end of the month. So that means that if we need to order some foundation, we have to order it online. But guess what? Everybody has trouble finding their foundation shade. So I got a tip. So I think a year ago, my mother told me about this website and I thought about bringing it on, but I was like, everybody probably know about their website, so I ain't gonna waste my time. But then I was like, you know what? Given the circumstances, what if people don't know about this website? And this will save a lot of trouble if it's, if it works. That's what we're gonna try today. But it will save a lot of trouble because we'll just come back to that in a minute. So let's just get into it. I'm going to show you guys a website that is supposed to find your perfect shade based off of shades that you love already. So let's say this, like for instance, for example, me, I've been wanting to try the new ColourPop. Well, it's not new. It's the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. I've been wanting to try that for a couple months now. I finally decided to pick it up, but guess what? I didn't know my shade. But I went to Foundation, www.foundation.com. I'm gonna pop up what I searched in one of these areas, probably over here. And I'm gonna show you guys what the foundations that I put in so that it could match me to my perfect shade. I put in my two favorite, which is Too Faced in the shade Tiramisu, and then Fenty in the shade, I think it's 440. And let's see how this turns out, you guys. I am super excited. For one, because I got this foundation finally, and then two, to see if this website really does what it's supposed to do, because if it does, that will save us a lot of trouble. So check out my earrings from Tony Daly. Hey, these are in the style Melody and I love them, but we'll get to that later. Let's get to foundation. So I already contoured, which is why my face is looking snatched. Okay, I got my eyeshadow on. This is from Midnight Obsessions. I know I've been telling y'all this for weeks and weeks and weeks that it's coming to you soon, but you guys, the wait is almost over. Give me about 7 to 14 days. I got you. Now, let's get into what y'all came here for. So this is Pretty Fresh. The shade that it matched me with, as you guys saw, was the 21 Deep Dark 21 Warm. It says prep your skin with Pretty Fresh hydrating primer. Use a blending sponge or fingertips. So we definitely have a blending sponge. So I just need to wet it, and then we're just gonna get right into it. All right, so I don't know if I should shake this first. This is what it looks like in the tube. It has a little pump, which I am loving. So I am just gonna put some on my hand. That's one pump. That's not enough. Okay, now that's one pump. So we're just gonna see what one pump does, and we're gonna go in with a sponge first. And I have my Sonia sponge that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to use the back again. So let's just start from the center first, and let's see. What do you guys think so far? Let your girl know. And I'm going to go over that contour because I want it to, kind of blend in. Your girl needs some more of this because this stuff is sheer. So we're gonna do about 3 pumps, and we're gonna go to town for real. Ooh, I think that was too much. Okay, so my first thought My first thoughts on the coverage is light. This is definitely not, I don't feel like it's full coverage, even though it may look like full coverage, but what do y'all think? Do y'all think it's full coverage? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so I have that on, and it took about, I did 3 extra pumps, so 4.5 pumps to get it to the coverage that I like. All right. So let me know what you think of this shade so far. I don't know if it oxidizes down or not, but we're going to see. And also I want to kind of match it right here to see if it blends. Oh, damn. Come through, foundation. Come through. Okay, so let's see if I can. That may be a little better. Okay, so I did also pick up the concealer. So let's see, I got the concealer in Deep Dark 190. So I hope that it does what it's supposed to do. Let's check it out and see, you guys. This is what it looks like. It comes in a small tube like this with the little brush at the end. Let's see. So in the meantime, I'm gonna grab my blush. I think I am. Cover FX. I'm gonna be getting I think it's Warm Honey. I think it's April 3rd when it's half off at Ulta. I'm definitely getting that because I've been eyeing that for I think about a year, you guys. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna use the technique that I learned from Lori and see how that works. With this duochrome, and I'm gonna blend it out, don't worry. I know I look kind of crazy now, but I'm gonna blend it out. Let's get this concealer going. Oh, y'all. Okay. So while that's doing that, we're gonna go in with the lippy and then we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna spray with this Thayer's, I think that's how you say it, Facial Mist Witch Hazel with coconut water that I hauled, and you guys should definitely get it. It is bomb. But before I spray, just look how this look came together. How do you guys think that shade worked out? Did foundation do a good job? Let's pull it all together with the spray. All right, guys, so let me know what you think in the comment section below. You guys, I am loving this foundation. Like, it is really nice. It feels very lightweight. It turned out really good. Now, the purpose of this video was, yes, to see how the foundation looked, but the main purpose of this video was to see if foundation really gives legitimate good recommendations. And I would actually have to say, yes, they do. Super glad that foundation actually recommended the correct shade. I mean, look at it, you guys. it definitely does match to me. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I think this is a great tool to use, especially in the times right now and going forward, because right now we can't go into those stores. So ordering online, it's very, very imperative that you find the right shade the first time, because you can't take it back to the store because the stores are closed right now. So who wants to go through a mail return? That's going to take forever. And then if you just want to exchange, that's going to take forever, because most of the time, and I haven't done a exchange or a return with Ulta or Sephora through the mail, but I'm assuming that they're going to want their product back first, but maybe not. But still, who's going to want to wait for another product to come in the mail and then have to spend the time to send the other product back? I know I wouldn't. So if you guys find this website helpful, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure to share this video to someone that you think that it would be helpful to. And if you're new here, I hope that you take the time out to subscribe. And I hope I see you guys around in another video. Again, let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you want to know where I got these earrings from, if I haven't told you already, I got them from TonyDaily.com. I love these earrings. They are in the style Melody. I'm not sure if they're still in stock. I had to wait for them to come back into stock, because when I wanted them, I'm not an impulse buyer, so when I wanted them, I added it to my cart, but I didn't buy it. And then when I decided that I wanted to go back and buy it, they were gone. So I had to wait for them to come back in stock, and when they did, I got them, and with a few other earrings as well. I think I got these, and I think they're called Super Hoop, and I love these too. And then I forgot what these are called. I'll put a picture up somewhere, but these are gorgeous. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I came on here and told y'all what I need to tell y'all. Now I got to go and look in the mirror at this foundation and be happy that foundation recommended the right shade. I thank you so much for tuning in to this video, and I hope that I see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.